Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I am going to do like a quick life update, and also we're going to be talking about LASHYBOX today, a little bit more information about the company, what they have to offer, and some good news that I have to share with you all as well. First of all, I just wanted to apologize for like me being a little bit more distant lately. We have been dealing with quite a bit of family things, family issues. For example, I just got back from a funeral today. um, it's just a rough time for us right now. So I really appreciate everyone's patience and sticking around for me and waiting for me to put out the next video. I really appreciate that. But yeah, I was asked by LASHYBOX to be an affiliate of their company. I'm currently waiting on my code so I can give it to everyone. But I wanted to go ahead and talk about some of the different kind of boxes that they offer, some things that you could buy without a subscription, etc. So LASHYBOX is like a smaller company, and it's really cool because you get eyelashes every month and also makeup products as well. Now they have different kinds of boxes available. They have like, depending on your style of lashes, if you like softer looking lashes, more natural, they have the soft glam box, the dramatic box, the full size box, and also XL box for magnetic and regular lashes as well. So it's really kind of neat, and the prices actually range from pretty affordable. I do believe the lowest one is, they have upped their prices a little bit just because cost of everything. I think the lowest price box is like $17.99. Their lowest box is $17.99, and it goes all the way up to $32.99 with the XL boxes. Now I went ahead and I purchased a couple previous boxes, which you could do if you want to. If you guys want to wait until you get my code so you can have a percentage off on that, just I will be posting that here soon. But I did get a couple previous boxes. You can get them off their website or when they open up their LASHYBOX pop-up shop, which they open up, I do believe, like once a month or once every couple of months. And they have a lot of great sales and deals in there for everyone to check out. So I thought it'd be cool if I got a couple of them and just give everyone an idea of what you could get inside of the boxes. I myself love magnetic lashes, so I got a couple of the magnetic LASHYBOX boxes, and they look so small, but they pack a punch. Let me tell you, for I mean, at least like how little the box is, how much stuff you get inside, and how much value is in there is just, it's crazy. But this is one of the first ones that I got. I just want to show everyone what it looks like inside. It has like little confetti in there. And we have some really nice, beautiful lashes here on top. And these are magnetic. I'm starting to get back into lashes again. I'm going to start wearing them more often on the channel again. Oh, it looks like we also have a brow gel from Luna by Luna. It's a lot more like indie brands and stuff because it is a smaller company. But then you get to try some of the other stuff that maybe necessarily you wouldn't have tried. Got another pair of lashes in here. This one's called Stardust. These are pretty too. And then we get a magnetic liner in the box, which I always just put them back for, like, I open one at a time and then finish it and then open another one. That way they don't go to waste and get all dried up. And then I got another pair of lashes in here. And magnetic lashes, for those of you who don't know, are like pretty expensive normally. So to get 3 pairs of eyelashes and then a couple makeup products in here as well is actually a really good deal for $17.99. This is how much this box costs. But ooh, we got a little Spellbook Love palette, it looks like. This looks really cute, but there's also a little card in the bottom. So let's look at that first and see what it is. Okay, it's just like a little it's just a little card that says that every month is magic with LASHYBOX. And there's actually a little stone in here too. I think that's really cool. I mean, my stone's a little cracked up, but I think it's really cute that they included like a little gift in here. And it says that this one is quartz and it is increases inspiration and creativity. So that's kind of cool. I like that they did that. That was something definitely unique. But let's take a look at this palette here because I'm really interested because honestly this looks really cool to me. But also the color story. Okay, it is just, I love the packaging on it. It looks like a cute little spell book. And then inside we have the palette and a mirror. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I'm definitely going to get some swatches. This is from Rude Cosmetics. I haven't really tried them, but I heard that they're pretty decent. So I'm excited to try. This one's called Conjure. And then we have, ooh, a glitter one. Let's see the glitter shade. Okay, that's just like a glitter topper. For these other ones, ooh, this one feels really nice too. They seem pretty decent. I mean, this one might be a little patchy. I'm not really sure until like I get it on my eyes. But I will let everyone know the quality of this. But for like, honestly, it seems pretty decent, especially for what you're paying for the box. But I'll definitely let everyone know about that. But yeah, that's my first box. I think that's a pretty good box for that price. And then you don't have to worry about going out and purchasing them. If you don't use lashes that much, you can always just do like a one-time purchase from them as well and pick which box that you would be most interested in. Okay, we got another one like this too. And then I also have an XL one to show everyone. It's not in the actual box. I do believe they put it separate for like shipping purposes. But anyways, let's do this other magnetic box first and see what's in here. And honestly, I think they might have accidentally gave me, maybe this month just had extra lashes in it because it looks like I have 4 lashes in this box, which is absolutely amazing. But I got Cake. This one's called Jenny. These are a little bit more dramatic, but I like them. Crystal. And then another Zola lash, and I really think these are absolutely stunning. Okay, then we also got a couple more things in here as well. Like I said, it's just a lot of stuff in such a little box. It's so awesome. Okay, so like I said, we get a magnetic liner. This one is from, I'm trying to see the company. Immigration Arrival. I'm not really sure, honestly. Loha? Anyways, they give you a magnetic liner, and then I got a sheet mask, and this one is, ooh, a halogram foil mask. Premium foil face mask, and it's from Korea. It's a Korean skincare, and Korean has pretty good skincare, so. And lastly, in the box, we have, oh, I guess this is the brand Loha, because this is the same brand of the metallic eyeliner that we got, but it looks like it's a palette. So how fun is that? Let's see what this looks like here. Okay, yes. I am liking this. This reminds me of like Natasha Denona style, almost like a knockoff of it, but yeah, like the way the packaging is. It's super cute, and I love pink, so let's get some swatches of this. Oh, this one feels pretty good. That one's pretty creamy, honestly. I like that pink. It's really pretty. There's like a hot pink. Oops. Here's like a hot pink. This palette looks good. It's pretty, and then let's do another pink here. Yeah, they seem to swatch pretty good. I am looking forward to trying these out. This is vegan cruelty free. Okay, so now we've seen what we get for $17.99. Let's take a look to see what we get for the $32.99. And is it worth it? I think it is, but let me know in the comments down below if you think that these subscription boxes are worth it or if you think they cost too much. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Okay, so normally it would come in like a large purple box, But for packaging purposes and just shipping costs being so high that it is, they just combined it all into one bag. The littler box fit in just fine, but the big box didn't fit in so well. So these are the items that would have been inside of the box. First up is a Ruby May Diamond Sparkle Highlighter. And honestly, I've been looking forward to swatching this since the moment I've got it. It is just so stunning. I can't wait to show everyone. Okay, this is called Giggle Water. Really beautiful looking highlighter. I'm just so excited. Oh, I'm running out of room here. Oh man, that's pretty. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, moving on. There's a highlighter in there. I'm gonna put that to the side. And then we also have, okay, these are magnetic lashes. So there's one pair of magnetic lashes. Okay, this brand I really like. Ruby May also made the highlighters that we just had. It was like their featured brand of the month. But these are Ruby May eyelashes, and actually I really like the quality of these. I've tried these before. I can say they're good. And then, ooh, we got a lip product as well. This is from Floss. I'm going to see what color it is. Okay, yeah. Look, that's it. Like a color that I feel like could work for a lot of people. It's not like a red. A lot of people get mad when subscriptions put in a bunch of reds. Just because it doesn't work for everyone. So that's kind of neat. They put a color in there that seems like it could work for more people. We have a palette. This is the palette that we got. This is from Suva. And the packaging. Look at this mushroom here. Look how cool that looks. And it's like textured as well. You gotta appreciate the packaging and the love they put into this for sure. This is called the Magic and Ecstasy palette. And this is the reason why I picked this subscription for this month, because you can actually see everything that's going to be in the box before you purchase it if you do like a one-time purchase of like a previous month. But this is the palette here. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love how it has complementing colors and glitter. So that is awesome to me. And I already know I'm going to swatch this. So I am going to just do a couple of these colors, okay? Because I'm running out of room on my arm. But here's the glitter shade. Okay, and they normally do go on a little bit like that, a little patchy looking. But it's just like a topper. So as long as the mattes work good, that's what we're worried about. Okay, purple is a really hard color to make. But it seems to swatch all right. It seems pretty good. Something else I'll be trying out. Okay, we do have plenty more products in here, so let's carry on. Okay, next is another highlighter from Ruby May. How fun is that? We get to, I love highlighters. They're like my favorite thing. So it's cool they put different kinds of makeup in there and not the same kind of makeup all the time. So that's also a nice thing to know. But this is in the shade Orchid. And, oh, wow. Yep. Beautiful. It's got her little diamond. It's got the little diamond logo encrusted inside of the highlighter itself. And then we'll just get a swatch. Oh, yes. That's beautiful. Okay. So I got a couple highlighters. And then I got, honestly, there's like a handful of stuff still. So decent amount. Oh, more Ruby May eyelashes. I'm happy about that. These ones are my fave. We got a LASHYBOX magnetic liner. We got a tweezer duo from Steve and Laurent. And then we got another pair of lashes. So we get 4 lashes. You're supposed to get 3 in the littler box. I think they made a whoopsies and accidentally gave me 4, which I'm totally okay with and not complaining about. I'd rather have it, they give me too many than not enough lashes, which has never happened, honestly, with LASHYBOX. I've never had that issue. One time I thought they didn't give me enough lashes, but they actually, they stack. Let me show you. These lashes that are like this, they stack them. So it can only look like one with they're stuck together real good, but it's actually 2. And that, yes, that's happened to me before. Here's the tweezer set. And actually, that is everything that I got in the subscription box. Me, myself, although I do like to buy the XLs, like here and there, if there's one that I liked a lot of products in, I will do that. But honestly, me, preferably, I prefer the $17.99 a box. Just because I think you only get like 1 pair of lashes extra. Yeah, you get more makeup and stuff in there. It just depends on what works for you, what's best for you, what you're looking for out of the subscription. That's why I kind of like that they have so many different types and so many different like options available, so you can really get what it is that you need and want from them without having to get something you don't want or don't need. So actually, that's everything I had for my video today. Stay tuned for that discount code. I will upload it to this video and future videos once I have received it. That's everything I have for you today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.